Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, and now we're going to bring on another exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reasoning, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now nation, anytime situations like this take place, we always see how important Vybz Kartel is to the dancehall space, to the dancehall arena, to the genre of music called dancehall. Now some of these naysayers see what Vybz Kartel brings to the table and what he takes away from it when he leaves. Now nation, Vybz Kartel put out enough chart-topping hits to keep him legacy going for the next 100 years. But there's a very powerful message for the fans. And you know them say a picture can sometimes speak 1,000 words. I must suggest all fans check it out on the Vybz Kartel YouTube Vivo page. That's a Vybz Kartel radio. Now the picture reads, "Keep calm, freedom coming soon," with the Union Jack as the foreground. Now we're not gonna say background, maybe we can say background, but you know where the something go. And the Union Jack is actually the flag of the United Kingdom. Now this is a very powerful message indeed. We have heard that the transfer order signed by the correction department, and that Vybz Kartel was moved for reasons untold. As a matter of fact, Isaac Buchanan said maybe the Minister of National Security, Horace Chang, should be somebody who should notify the people about something like this, because to his knowledge there is not a reason that he was moved for. It wasn't for the trial or anything like that. So some people are their concerns, but do as they will. Freedom is a must. And as I would say, the simple post and picture speaking 1,000 words. Obviously the Union Jack representing England and the Privy Council. You know what I mean? Freedom coming soon obviously represents the ruling to be handed out to release Vybz Kartel and the co-accused. And truth be told, viewers and subscribers, the world has not followed up the case of a black superstar since, or follow it to this level. Probably OJ, or when Pac they get locked up. Tell me somebody else if you know somebody else who the world has been tuned into what take place with them case. We must say something around on Fox 5. There's something around England. You know what I mean? Canada talk about the whole world, everywhere that dancehall and reggae music has touched. Vybz Kartel's case has been, national news. So the injustice is known on a global level. Freedom is a must. You know what I mean? And this is something very powerful for the fans. Because we have fans that say them look forward to the album. Remember, an album was slated to be released this year. Will it still be released this year? If you look and see, we go see what the reaction from dancehall fans is. Not just locally, me I talk about internationally. Vybz Kartel is a mega star. We go see the people must know. Wanna say no what? Album wanna say no what? Gaza Nation. This just shows you how important Vybz Kartel is the genre of music called dancehall. The only mega star of the genre that is currently behind the bars. Yeah, me know Ninja Man behind the bars. So Ninja Man a foundation superstar. Nobody can take away from Ninja what Ninja doing a dancehall music. The man say a ninja, I'm ninja. Just keep the reason as it is. Mega star behind the bars. And I still Vybz Kartel people are asked for your album from listen, think about what take place. Vybz Kartel is behind the bars, thinking about his freedom, which is on its way. And guess the people out there that talk about. They must say free the general who want an album. That's the importance of Vybz Kartel to the music space. Bob did say them got tired to see with face, and them also also live for one. Hear the general them voice. Now all recent releases are doing extremely well across all digital platforms, from African Summer to Stress Out to Cannot Lose to Every Hustler to Chip Black, which reminded lyrical fans of lyricists right across the board, because I see people who like lyrics. Majority of fans who are fans of artists who give you strong lyrical content. Them listen a wide variety of music. Them listen hip hop. Them listen you name it. Anyway, any song where people incorporate lyrics into, dub poetry, everything. Vybz Kartel reminded them that yes, don't forget dancehall is where it all started, and we have the lyrical content to match any genre of music and their lyricists. There's no way somebody that say, oh, them lyrics are tough, man, but it's tough for dancehall. You can't do that. Because some people like to do that, like to put dancehall into a box. And some fans of dancehall like to do it as if dancehall is not good enough to be compared with other genres of music. That is the mindset. That's the slave master's mindset put down into the people. And I hope we are dealing. Different mindset. What do you mean? Are you not aware of dancehall's legacy? You're not aware that dancehall start the same hip hop where some people feel like the dancehall not to get mentioned with. What kind of talk is that? Did you know that dancehall music created sampling? Something where hip hop music is known for today. I mean sample people lyrics. I mean even in the beat itself, to incorporate older songs and have it run as a loop. Sampling. A dancehall music start that dubstep around the whole of Europe. You can't go to Europe and say you go party at Europe and never hear dubstep. A dancehall music start dubstep. Dubstep was started in Waterhouse by King Tubby himself. Ask King Jammy them. I told them it's a part. I don't know. Friend and company thing and falling out. You know them. You know the thing. But a King Tubby himself created dubstep with the whole heap of echo and reverb. Dancehall's legacy is there on an international level, but people don't talk about it. Them like to talk about dancehall like dancehall's a back of wall music where only few people listen to. Them wrong. Dancehall music has been moving the masses for years now, and it has inspired many of our musical greats. So we know many of the big names in the music currently and even before them will tell you this outspokenly. Of course, we are fans of reggae and dancehall music, and they say it starts. The vibrant urban music culture in North America right now was inspired by dancehall music and what we da deal with. And we say Columbox. And we say put the record on the other side and make people just hear the instrumental. And make MC go and chat lyrics. And that's how we DJ forward from. Rappers, that's how adapt it forward from. Getting the instrumentals and putting your own vocals on the beat. Yeah, they do that. Them a make record over there and never know, so flip it on the other side and not get a chance for chat. And we them send it to. And we start do it at home. And the thing after that is music history. But people not talk about that aspect of the music. Them like to talk about, oh, we only have a reggae category. And something wrong with that too. Why we only have a reggae category at the Grammys? And yes, reggae do what it do. Now I mean, reggae is respected by the UN as an indigenous music, meaning a music that was started by Jamaica that influence and impact the world. The UN, yeah, them give recognition. Vybz did go way before what take place now. When travel was, what travel was. Vybz did go there and then did honor the music. You know what I mean? Yeah, then did honor the music. But want to dancehall music. Cause dancehall legacy there, Cause hip hop get for them on, Hip hop get for them on. But what go on? Me say them a brand dancehall as reggae to the international public, and that has to stop. That has to stop. We cannot tell people say reggae is dancehall and dancehall is reggae and confuse the people. Not go work. You can't tell people say hip hop and R&B are the same thing. Are different genres of music, and they are categorized as such. So dancehall and reggae should be categorized as such, so that the people that have impacted the world through dancehall and not reggae can get their international recognition. Talk to me in the comment section when you know you feel. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the guards represented by Sam, reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out your channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section up me 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts and comments and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, them are now move settings from. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course gonna live, love and prosper until we reason again.